Today I'll be going over InboxOps email classifier agent, a safe, intent-aware LLM agent to classify, control, clean your inbox so that you don't have to. The agent classifies every email by intent and adds a label, removing the need for the user to review their entire inbox. The problem we're trying to solve today is modern inboxes are overloaded, important emails get buried, follow-ups are easy to miss, and even with filters, spam still pops up. InboxOps agent fixes that. InboxOps uses LLM that reads email the way a human does. It classifies each message based on intent, not just keywords. Then it performs the right Gmail action with confidence thresholds that keep automation safe and predictable. Let me quickly show you what that looks in a nutshell. Okay, let's say this is the inbox. Once we run the agent on it, this is what it'll be broken down into, and the user can directly jump into an action required, and you'll also get a summary of what are all the classifications done. So now to quickly go over the classifications, we have action required where it requires a reply or a task needs to be done. Follow up where either somebody is waiting on you or you need to reply like a meeting invite, an accept or something like that. An FYI where it could be marked as read and you can come back to it later. Spam, which could be promotional or phishing emails. And within spam, based on the confidence thresholds, it could also be moved to delete it directly. The agent could do it by itself. And anything would be under manual review if it's ambiguous to the system. Now, let me quickly show the confidence thresholds over here. As you can see, the action required follow-up would be what the user would jump into. Let me go into the architecture of it. So this is a multi-agent architecture. We have the classifier agent, which is powered by Gemini, which analyzes each email, and we have an action agent, which performs Gmail operations like move, delete, or mark as read, and then we have a sequential orchestrator, which ensures classification happens before each action with complete traceability on why that action was chosen on. Let me quickly go over the architecture itself. Let's say we have the last 24-hour email and it classifies into JSON and an action is taken on each email. And finally, you'll get a summary as well. Let me quickly show how an output would look like over here. So let's say this is what we're running into based on the last 24-hour email. We get a summary of all the emails that the user can directly jump into and every other label that the user can comment. This has multiple future use cases where, let's say you have a return on a scheduled date, that could be something that could be configured, or let's say you have bills to be paid automatically, dues, all that can be further automated and leveraged so that it becomes more like your personal assistant.